5 signs that a married man is attracted to you sexually in USA. Identifying signs of sexual attraction from a married man can be a sensitive and complex matter. It's crucial to approach this with caution, respect for all parties involved, and an understanding of boundaries. However, it's important to note that the interpretation of someone's actions can vary, and these signs might not always indicate sexual attraction. Here are 5 potential signs, but they should be taken with discretion and not as definitive indicators. Prolonged eye contact. A married man who is sexually attracted to you might engage in prolonged eye contact. This gaze can feel intense and intimate, and it's often used to convey interest or desire. However, it's important to remember that extended eye contact can also have cultural or situational interpretations, so it's not a foolproof sign of sexual attraction. Flirtatious behavior. Married men who are sexually attracted to someone may engage in flirtatious behavior. This can include playful teasing, compliments, and suggestive comments or jokes. Flirting is a way to test the waters and express interest, but it's not a definitive sign of sexual attraction on its own. Physical proximity. A married man who is sexually attracted to you might intentionally stand or sit closer to you than is typical in social interactions. This physical proximity can create a sense of intimacy and a desire for closer contact. However, it's crucial to consider the context and individual preferences, as some people naturally stand or sit closer when conversing. Subtle touches. Light and brief physical touches, such as on the arm, shoulder, or back, can be a sign of sexual attraction. These touches are a way to test boundaries and convey interest. However, it's important to approach physical contact cautiously, as it can be misinterpreted or unwelcome. Emotional connection. A married man who is sexually attracted to someone may seek a deeper emotional connection. This can involve asking personal or intimate questions, actively listening to your thoughts and feelings, and showing a genuine interest in your well-being. Building an emotional connection is often a precursor to a sexual attraction, but it can also be part of a sincere friendship. It's essential to remember that these signs are not definitive proof of sexual attraction, and they should be interpreted in the broader context of the relationship and individual personalities. The interpretation of someone's actions can vary, and it's possible for people to exhibit these signs without harboring sexual attraction. Additionally, pursuing or encouraging the advances of a married individual can be ethically complicated and potentially damaging to all parties involved. Respecting boundaries and the commitments of marriage is of utmost importance,